carry yarn up the side of your work. Hi guys, I'm Kristen. The easiest way to be changing yarn colors while knitting is to do it at the beginning of the right side of your work. So all of your yarn tails are going to be on the right side, and when you switch your yarn color, you are starting on the right side of your work, which is the front of your work. This is a great technique that allows you to not have to cut your yarn ends and weave them in every single time you change colors. So here's how we do it. You take the yarn that you'd like to carry up, and you just make sure that you place it over your working yarn. That's the yarn that you plan to keep on knitting. You place it over, and then when you knit with your working yarn, let's get that little purple guy to the side. Go ahead and knit through your working yarn, and you'll see this is catching your yarn. It's also called twisting, and we'll just continue knitting all the way across the row. And let's take a look at how this develops each time you do it from the right side of your work. So I'm going to knit this entire row both on the right and wrong sides, and let's come back around to it again. So here we are. We take the yarn that we want to carry up, we twist it over the working yarn. That just means placing it on top, and then just keep on knitting as you would. Let's do it a third time so we can see exactly how it's going to look. So we take that yarn that we want to carry up, we twist it simply by placing it over our working yarn, and we just take our working yarn and we knit as we would. And then when you are ready to change back to that yarn color, it's already carried up, and you just go ahead and knit it. I like to place it on top of the color that I just used, and then you have this really nice little side on the front, the right side. You can't even see it. And here is how the little twists carried up, the yarn carried up along the side on the back, the wrong side of your work looks. It's a super simple trick that is definitely worth the time so that you don't have to weave in all those yarn ends. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!